Hello and welcome back. Right, today I'm reviewing this hologram fan. This is an LED fan where you turn it on and here makes a hologram. It's basically turn around and it makes a hologram. I don't know how this works. I've never seen one before. I got it from Amazon and don't know what it's about basically. But I thought it very interesting, so I thought I'd buy it. So before I actually show you it working, I want to show you what you get inside the box first. Because I like to show people what you get inside the box. I know it's a bit boring, but I just like to show people what you get inside. Now you get instructions, some screws and a raw plug, and some more screws, I don't know what they're for. A remote control, an AC adapter. This is like the turning thing, the turning part where you put the circuit boards on. And 2 circuit boards. So that's what you get inside the box anyway. Now, let's have a look at this. Let's have a look at the instructions and see how you do it. Right, so it's basically saying I've got to put these circuit boards on like that, then screw them on. So first I'll do that first. And also I don't want to bore you out too much, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to skip to the part of me actually fixing it up and actually turning it on, because otherwise it's making a long video just opening it up and fixing it up. Right, I'm back. Now I have screwed it on the wall, right, but first of all I'd like to say it comes with this. Danger, do not touch the hologram when it's running, because it will probably break or probably hurt you, because these are going really fast. Now, and make sure it's attached to the wall properly, not loose or anything. Make sure it's attached properly, because it might fall off and all, that's nothing. So it's on my wall now, right? I'm showing the remote control here. Now all I need to do now is press the run button here, and it just basically runs. This button's a skip. You can't see pause and all on an image and all, and brightens and everything like that. As well as that, obviously you can put your own pictures on this and all. That this video is just examples of what it actually can do. And also, as well as that, it might not look very good on the video, but it does look really good. Trust me, looks ace. Just trying to show you the best examples as I can. So just press run now, I'll show you. So pressing run now. Just press run there. Look at that. Look at that though. It's just really good. Believe me, it looks dead good. Look at that. Trainer. Santa. 10. 9. I mean, it looks 6. Imagine that night time. It's above my PC and all. Whoa. It's just the video just isn't packing it up properly, but it does look really good. Fox. How do you reckon? I mean, whoa, Nemo. Yeah, I think it would be out at night time. I'm trying to show you the best I can. It's very hard to show you. Oh, that looks good. Raffled up. And that does look cool, but obviously, like I say, looks like it's not looking very good, but it does look really cool. The other thing I'd like to say, stop the end. Stop. The thing I'd like to say, the fact is that it does come with instructions of how to actually work this and all. So on the instruction book, so on this instruction book, right, you need to scan that. This will show you everything what you need and how you do it and how you set it up and everything like that. Now, as well as that, that's just information video. But if you want to download the app, you need to scan these: one for Android and one for iPhone. And then there's also, I think if you go onto that one, if you scan that one, it says Android on there. There's an app for Windows PC and all. And it's just showing you everything, like how you set up an iPhone and things, and what things you can do and everything like that. I did find it very interesting. That's the reason why I got it, because I found it really interesting, basically. Because I've never seen anything like this before. As you can see, and I think that's the app. What the app's called. Their instructions. So if you want one of these hologram fans, I will put the link below. So if you want one of these, you can buy one. Thanks for watching. Bye.